Hello beautiful souls, I am Yasuko and it's time for Mustache Monday. This week I will draw a winner for the Koso giveaway. Thank you for all the entries with your favorite fermented foods. I saw kimchi was very popular and so was miso. I was very surprised to see natto because it requires a very acquired taste. So you are brave. Not all the Japanese can eat natto because of the taste. By the way, when I eat natto, I like to mix it with bonito flake called katsuobushi and chopped takana pickles, and sometimes add some ACV or apple cider vinegar, which makes the natto less sticky. And my favorite natto bowl is with crispy chopped bacon and takana. It's my rare occasion to eat bacon. If you're interested in a recipe, let me know and maybe I'll make a natto video. So this Koso has all prebiotics, probiotics, and postbiotics, all good gut bacteria. Taking in good bacteria is one thing, but there are also bad gut bacteria. The bad gut bacteria can cause havoc, not just in your intestines. The lack of good gut bacteria and excess of bad gut bacteria may cause digestive issues such as bloating, cramps, irritable bowel syndrome, constipation, and diarrhea. Autoimmune issues such as thyroid issues, type 1 diabetes, and rheumatoid arthritis. And even mental issues such as stress, anxiety, and depression. These bad gut bacteria thrive when you eat too much sugar, fried foods, processed foods, alcohol, and red meat. If you think you're feeding bad gut bacteria more than good gut bacteria, cutting back on these foods and taking in more whole and slow foods along with the good gut bacteria from this and fermented foods is one way to balance out the gut microbiome. You can eat whatever you want that's right for your body. Everyone is different and I don't believe in one something fits all. I believe in moderation in food and everything else. Now let's finally draw a winner for our Koso. There were 44 entries and I have all the cut-up numbers in here. I'm going to draw a winner. And the winner is number 35. 35. And 35 is Celia Suarez. So Celia, congratulations, you won Koso. Actually, you have a choice of regular Koso or low sugar version. So please be in touch with me and I'll arrange the shipment. Thank you again, Koso, for another giveaway to my audience. I hope the world will be full of happy people with healthy gut. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell.